Start in color of white and make a magic ring. Chain 1 and work 8 single crochet inside the ring. Pull the end to close the ring and slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 3 and work one double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 7 and work 2 double crochet together into the next single crochet. Chain 7 and repeat until the end of the round. Close the round with chain 7 and slip stitch into the first double crochet. Cut the yarn. Start the next round using color green into one of the 7 chain spaces. Chain 1 and then work into the same 7 chain spaces, 1 single crochet, chain 3, 4 double crochet, chain 3, and another single crochet into the same space. And repeat into each 7 chain space the same combination of stitches. So 1 single crochet, chain 3, 4 double crochet, chain 3, and a single crochet. Close the round with 1 slip stitch into the single crochet, and cut the yarn. Start the next round using color purple. Between double crochet number 2 and double crochet number 3, chain 1 and make a single crochet, chain 3, and then 1 triple crochet into the next single crochet, chain 3, skip 1 single crochet, chain 3 and 2 double crochet, and make a single crochet, and repeat until the end of the round. Chain 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and then 1 single crochet into each stitch around. Close the round with 1 slip stitch into the first single crochet, chain 3, and work in the same stitch 2 triple crochet, chain 3, and another 2 triple crochet. Then 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, 1 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches. Then 1 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches, and 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, and repeat the section 3 more times until you complete the square. Close the round with a slip stitch into the first triple crochet using color pink. Chain 2, 1 double crochet into the first 2 stitches before the 3 chain space corner, then 2 double crochet, chain 3, and another 2 double crochet into the same chain 3 space. Then continue with 1 double crochet into each stitch, and in the corners make 2 double crochet, chain 3 and 2 double crochet. Slip stitch into the first double crochet and done.